In the next category, we have microbes in industrial products. In this category, the first is fermented beverages, which is also known as alcoholic fermentation. Louis Pasteur for the first time found that beer and buttermilk, they are produced by the activity of yeast. Let us see the various beverage products which are prepared by different organisms. For example, baker's bread is prepared by fermentation, and the microbe which helps in fermentation is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Wine yeast is prepared by microorganisms Saccharomyces ellipsoides. Ginger beer is prepared by the microorganisms Saccharomyces piriformis. Different types of beverages are produced by fermentation of different type of grains. For example, beer is prepared by fermenting barley malt. Gin is prepared by fermenting rye malt. Sake is prepared by fermented rice. Fenny by cashew apple. Vodka is prepared by fermentation of potato. Whiskey is prepared by fermenting cereals. Rum is prepared by fermented molasses. And wine and brandy, they are prepared by fermenting juices. Depending upon the type of raw material used for fermentation and the type of processing, that is whether the beverage is produced with distillation or without distillation, different type of alcoholic drinks are obtained. The beverages which are produced without distillation, they are wine and beer, in which the alcohol content is, in wine it is 9 to 12% and in beer it is 3 to 6%. Beverages which are produced with distillation, they are called hard liquors. For example, whiskey, rum, brandy, gin. Whiskey and rum, they contain 40% of alcohol content. Brandy has 60 to 70 and gin again has 40% of alcohol content. Next category of industrial product is antibiotics. Antibiotics, the meaning of the word antibiotics is, it is obtained from Greek word anti means against and bios means life. Chemicals produced by some microbes which even in small concentration can kill or retard, means reduce the growth of harmful microbes without adversely affecting the host. These are called antibiotics. The mode of action, it is important. Antibiotic, they act in two ways. Either they act as bactericides, that is they kill bacteria, or they act as bacteriostatic, means they inhibit the growth of bacteria. The mode of action of different antibiotics can be different. For example, penicillin and bacitracin, they act by disrupting the cell wall. मतलब कि जब इस एंटीबायोटिक को हम लेते हैं तो ये बॉडी में कैसे एक्ट करती है? It disrupts the cell wall of the bacteria. Polymyrin, amphotericin and nystatin, these antibiotics, they disrupt the plasma lemma. Erythromycin, it inhibition of 50S ribosome function, यानी ये लेने से बैक्टीरिया के 50S ribosomes they cannot function. Streptomycin and neomycin, it acts by inhibition of 30S ribosome function. Tetracycline, it inhibits it acts by inhibition of amino acid tRNA binding to the ribosomes. Chloramphenicol, it acts by inhibition of translation. It prevents protein synthesis. What are the characteristics of a good antibiotics? It has no side effect. It is harmless to normal bacteria of alimentary canal. It is able to destroy pathogen and infection, and it is effective against all strains of pathogens. It shows a quick action. The various antibiotics, their source and their function are penicillin. It is obtained from Penicillium notatum and it acts against the tonsillitis yani tonsils or the sore throat, gonorrhea and rheumatic fever. Nystatin is obtained from Streptomyces. It is antifungal in action and it is used in candidiasis. Chloramphenicol is again obtained from Streptomyces. It is used in typhoid, whooping cough. Tetracycline is obtained from Streptomyces. It is used in eye infection and whooping cough. Gentamicin, it is obtained from Nycromonospora purpurea and it acts against gram positive bacteria.